Hi guys, I work here at Splosh. My name is Sarah and I work in the product team. Today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble the 8-piece coaster counter display unit. So you'll start off with piece 1 and you'll lift up the side just like this and it'll meet the bottom piece here. And you'll join that together like that and you'll do the same on the other side. You'll then take these two tabs on the side and fold them in and fold these ones down. Ensuring to keep the tabs at the front away so you can slide that in to the front piece. You'll then take your side pieces and fold them into the slots. And you'll do the same on this side. This is what it will look like once both of your sides are fully assembled. You'll then take your middle insert pieces and follow the creases to fold them in. You'll do that on the same. You'll do the same on this one. You'll then take your straight piece and fold it in so it joins up like that, and you'll do the same on this side. You'll then do the same with the front piece. And there's your middle insert. You'll then take your outer piece and fold in the side tabs so you can join it with your middle insert on these slits here. And push it all the way to the back. This piece here goes over the top of your middle insert, and what you want to do is fold down on the creases. So you have something that looks like this. You'll then line up these slits here with the back and then fold down that is what it will look like once your middle insert is complete. Then you'll take your divider pieces and fold them in half like this and place them into the slots. You'll do the same for the other two. You'll then take these pieces here that work as our boosters to lift up the stock on the back row. You'll just fold the sides in and place them just like that. And there you have it guys, your fully assembled 8-piece coaster counter display unit. Thanks for watching.